Chunjay here from World Ruckus. Today we're going to talk about Act 2 of the Summer of the Cicadas, the Lone Gunmen.
I'm going to do this in 2 or 3 parts. Essentially, I want to first explain how the album came to be, and then a little bit on how it follows from Act 1. First of all, I was writing 2 albums at the same time. I was writing the World Ruckus album, and I was writing the Chunjay solo project.
When Mike didn't have fresh tunes for me, I would get tunes from other producers, and I would start writing solo projects. But writing at the same time, I realized I was essentially writing one record. The Chunjay solo project is essentially a part B to the World Ruckus project. It was not intentional at first, but it became intentional over time. The metaphor of the Lone Gunmen is a pretty distinct metaphor, and that's the only kind of sticky part with labeling it all Summer of the Cicadas. Lone Gunmen is singular and plural on purpose.
It captures the tension in life where we are individuals, but we also live in community. We're alone, but we're together. And so one of the ways I wanted to capture that was I wanted to load up the album with guest spots. It's a solo project, so I'm alone, but it's
Guest artists like crazy, left and right.